All right, guys. Good morning. I have 18 odds for you, 14 matches, a bit of safe game. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game between Mamelodi Sundown taking on Stellenbosch in the South Africa Premier League. My prediction here is home team will draw no bet, and then we move on to Saudi Arabia where Al Rihal Riyadh is taking on Denmark, and my prediction here is home handicap 1. Then we move on to England where Nottingham Forest is taking on Newcastle, and my prediction here is away team over 0.5 goals. Then Swansea taking on Wycombe Wanderers, home team win or over 2.5 goals. A game between Colchester United taking on Brentford, and my prediction here is Brentford to win at full time. Next one is a game between Cardiff taking on Southampton over 0.5 goals for the away team. Then we have a game between Wimbledon taking on Ipswich Town, away team to win either half. Then move on to a game between Wolves taking on Burnley, draw no bet for the home team. Then we move on to Atletico Bilbao taking on Valencia, home team over 0.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section where you get show 2 odds, 5 to 20 odds every day. So if you want to be part of those people that want to make money this year through sport betting, our VIP premium is what you need. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Remember, it's a paid service, it's not free, no pay after. Okay, moving on, we have a game between Sevilla taking on Bordeaux in the International UEFA Champions League. And my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Then the next game we have is a game between Strava Plug taking on Lille, away team and the Cap 2. Then we have a game between Slovan Bratislava taking on Midtjylland. And my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Then the next one we have is a game between Istanbul BB taking on St. Patrick, home team win. Then the last game is a game between Atletico Madrid taking on Espanyol, home team win at full time. That gives us a total of 18.96 odds. Then you bet responsibly. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game manually in your own local bookie and play them. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Remember, if you want to join VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video.